Hi friends, this is LEGO Star Wars First Order Stormtrooper Brick Sketches set. One of those sets that quietly disappeared from the shops and retired, but somehow found it on eBay for just £6. Another LEGO bargain win. I don't know how I keep doing this. Well, this time it came with no box and no instructions, but it didn't stop me downloading the digital ones and still build it. I was just hoping that all the pieces are here. Overall, it was in a very good condition, only a few pieces were faded, especially the white ones, so I swapped them from pieces from my collection. Not that I mind faded pieces, you know, sunshine, there's nothing we can do about it, but it just felt like this set deserves extra crisp whiteness. Oh, I just noticed, I missed one. Can you see it? And here he is, finished, like a tiny piece of LEGO wall art. If you can't find a set or don't want to pay crazy prices for a retired set, you can always build your own version. Something like this perhaps. It is actually a very simple build. The only tricky part is finding a 16 by 16 base plate and some basic colors like white, black, grey and a bit of red. If you have those, you can absolutely build this. And when you build something yourself, not from a set, it feels completely different. There is no instructions to follow. No open packet 1 and follow step 1, 2 and 3. You're just sitting with a pile of bricks and thinking, okay, let's try this. And honestly, the hardest part even isn't the building, it's finding the pieces. You might have the right colors in theory, white, black, grey and a bit of red, but you realize you don't have the right shapes. Like you need 1 by 2, but you only have 2 by 2. You need something thin, but all you've got is a bit chunky bricks left, so you need to start improvising. For me, the biggest challenge was not the design itself, but digging through boxes and boxes trying to find the right colored bits that actually work in this little mosaic. Actually, at first, I thought I'll be doing this with dots, like around tiles, but halfway through I realized I didn't have enough. And then I switched to bricks, because with bricks it just feels more a LEGO. I like the stud look, a bit of texture, little shadows, tiny bumps. It just gives that slightly 3D look, even though it's flat. And the cool thing about this, there are no instructions, there is no wrong step. If something doesn't fit, you just change it. It takes slower to build, comparing to a set, definitely, but it's also more satisfying than just following the instructions. And here he is, a Stormtrooper built from completely random bricks. I actually think he turned out really nice. So tell me, what do you think? Do you prefer the official Stormtrooper Brick Sketches version or this custom one built out of my own bricks? Drop me a comment below, I'll definitely reply. I will be back soon with something new.